Ihanga Right Honorable Robinah Nabanja yashobora ngo government ya NRM ekozire kiri kubasika cyona okuhereza abakazi emyoga kandi obuntu bwire okugira kibaye korra.
Once you are patriotic, you will love your job and feel proud to serve your people. I feel proud to serve my people. We have a big role to play as leaders. Why? We are leading an African country, a backward country, where some of our parents, some of our brothers and sisters did not have an opportunity to go to school. And some of them, it was not by choice. Okusanga kyali omuntu ali kulitomero.
Nabanja yayongera yagira ngo abakazi bine imyoga mahanga y'ibakora omuntu ngo kayihanga ahabwo kubaba no buva kwebembere bikorwa ombyanga byona.
Because the politicians then bali batakora hatabo kuba tibakoraga amanya kandi akanuni bakiyakenda. What they used to do is to make us knock each other, because Kakumiro apparently has so many tribes. And so because of that, hatoli na abara abanyoro bangi. Ana gamba abachika bajja kubatwara wetaka.
Right Honorable Robinah Nabanja yayongera yashobora government etireho muringo gwe byo kwerinda hamwe n'ubukumi ekiri kuza kongera entunguka umuyihanga.
You cannot attain socio-economic transformation without security. It is on this note that I want to thank the President. He has given us an enabling environment. We the people of Kakumiro. Antaro wakurara mungi obunyansi antaro wano. Banobora babaze n'emmotoka nga bebuga. Abamu pikipiki zaabwe. Amazima geego. Naye abamu tebannatereera. Kakati abatannatereera bendiko.
Ogu yayongera yagira ngo bucweka nshanju na butano bw'endwara eziri mu ihanga nezitambwa kandi yashava akazi okubana bayebembera omuhururegi.
75% of the disease burden in this country is preventable. Ebitundu 75 habuli 10 obulwaire obutuwaro mu ihanga lya Uganda no mu Africa bukutangira. Nkaki nka pressure kugitangira nokoraki exercise nokoraki nolya kurungi nokoraki nolya emmere kulya nyama buli lunaku tiniyo ansa nokoraki.
Omuringo nigwo gumwe munabi babiha orukoro ekitongore kya Forward Forum for Women in Democracy yagira ngo bari mbatebekana sabakazi obwire bukirikare abo kugira ngo obwire bwo bururu buri ruza kwikomwako guru kwija.
And so since we were born, we have been building the capacities of women in leadership so that you're able to gain the confidence, you have the skills, and once you get into leadership, you're able to front women's issues, the issues that concern the women in the constituencies that you represent. So for us as an organization, we work with women, we are non-partisan, we work with you, whichever party you come from.
Ngu ekibineeki kikaruga omubakyara ababeire nibakora constitution 1994 na 95 bagira ukatukwatanise turebe ngo abakazi baruga enyuma bayegesibwa bazo mubwebembezi ngu omurimo gwo gubarukora bagukozire omuri Uganda yona.
Okushemesa ubwoko kugendererwe kuhiga abakazi kubatamo muhimbo n'amano go kwejumbiro mu byovururu okutora n'abebembezi babo kandi no kushemesa abantu bona okubakubasa kuronda obushagiki kandi obo bari kutungura na namagara gabo.